Hey there, it's Jamila with Elevated Business 101, and today I want to talk to you about how to create custom thumbnails with Canva. Okay, but before I get into the video, go ahead and drop me a subscribe if you like videos that have to do with making money online, starting your own business, or growing your own business. All right, here we go. So I am at canva.com, and this is a place where you can design all types of things for your brand, your business. As you can see here, for your class, if you're a teacher, for nonprofit organizations, just personal use, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And with Canva, you can create an account for free. You can also, after your free trial is over, pay, I think it's $13 a month to continue to use Canva. So here are some of the designs that I've created and that I am, currently working on. So I just wanted to show you some of the things that I've done. So I have Pinterest pins here. I've got down at the bottom, I think I've got like a business card somewhere, logos I was kind of playing with for different things. I really create a lot of Pinterest pins here, but also this is, a custom thumbnail for one of my channels. This is channel art for my YouTube channel. So there are tons and tons and tons and tons of things that you can do here. So let's go to create a design here on the left side of the screen underneath your name. And with create a design, you can see all of these different options. It says recommended for me, specifically Facebook ad, flyer, invitation, letterhead, poster, postcard, and card. Social media post. This is where I get my Pinterest graphic design started. Documents and blogging and ebooks, and underneath, so marketing materials, but underneath social media and email headers, that's where you'll find a YouTube thumbnail. So you click here, and there are tons of layouts on the left-hand side that you can choose from, and that's what you really want to work with. It says access 300,000 free photos and illustrations. So they've got tons of pictures and illustrations that you can choose from. And I think they're really promoting that because maybe people don't realize that. It's not something that pops up and is very obvious once you come on Canva. So I've gone here, for instance, and created a thumbnail. Let me just create one for you. This is an interesting one. The good thing too with Canva, because you can design several different types of thumbnails if you want to maybe have two different kinds. You see right here, it says add new page, and you can come in here and you don't have to add new page right under this. You can add another page elsewhere. Maybe you want something like this one as well. And I'm going to explain why you might want more than one. So creating thumbnails gets more attention to your YouTube videos, first of all, and people are more likely to click on it if you have a really nice thumbnail, which is like your cover photo, cover picture, or the cover of your YouTube video. And it's great to kind of have some consistency. So if you have, for instance, a business type of page, then this picture would be good for this thumbnail. It says top 20 office hacks, tips to boost efficiency in the workplace. See, this one is about baking. And so baking is as easy as 1, 2, 3. But if you have a business channel, you might want to keep this photo here, but you want to change this photo. So I would go over here to where it says search 1 million images, and I might say business and search, not illustrations, let's do photos, because I like actually using pictures rather than illustrations. And notice that some of these are absolutely free. Some of them cost $1, like this one. Let's go ahead and do this one. Let's just say I have something like something about teamwork, for instance. And I could say, since my video is all about teamwork, I can change this and I can say, teamwork makes the dream work. I just really like that quote, but it's probably not the best thing for a YouTube video title, right? So you could say, how to, since YouTube is a search engine, people might be typing in how to. So you could say how to build a team in the workplace. And you could just go right up here because it's obviously pretty long. I'm going to go ahead and select all and change this to about size 80. That's still too big, so let's go down to 72. Perfect. How to build a team in the workplace, okay? And that's a good picture to go with that. You might also want to make sure that you're keeping some consistency in terms of your colors. You might have a color scheme that goes with your brand, and say it's blue and orange here. Then what I might want to do with, since there's some orange here, which is fine, this is kind of close to that orange, then maybe I'd want to change my font from white here to blue. And since I just changed it to blue, then you can see there's some consistency in my branding in that regard because of the color scheme. However, you might also want to change the colors if you are a channel that focuses on a couple different things. So for instance, if you are talking about efficiency in the workplace and then you're talking about teamwork and you have lots of efficiency videos, then your efficiency videos might be all blue and orange. And then maybe your build a team videos might be all white and orange. So I'm going to go ahead, or actually let's change it to, I was going to say white and blue, white and orange. Let's change it to two totally different colors. Okay, I'm going to try to click this background. Well, I'll go ahead and change the font here first. So blue and orange, let's try something that's not too far off of blue and orange. Let's try maybe yellow and let's do like yellow and white or something. See if I can, I'm trying to click on the orange. Here, I'll move this out of the way so I can click on this orange and change this orange to, I don't even know what I just said. Did I say white? Let's try white. There it is. Woo! Yellow and white does not work. So let's go ahead and try to change this to something else. How about, maybe green. I like that green. Okay. And you can play around with this, change fonts. As you can see, you can change fonts if you want to, because if I click on this font, I can just click up at the top of the screen there and then choose something different. You can obviously play with the colors, upload images from Canva. You can upload images from free image sites like unsplash.com or Pixabay, for instance, or Pexel. Those are sites where you can get free images for your thumbnails or any other designs that you create. And then once you're done with this, notice that it already created a title for me here. It says how to build a team in the workplace, right? And I can change this title if I want to download my thumbnails. I could say thumbnails efficiency. And you don't have to create the thumbnails, like I said, right on top of each other the way that this is done. I was doing this just on one page so you could see it. And maybe team thumbnails, efficiency and team. Maybe that's what I want to call it, just so I can save it in a way that I understand it. And then you download it, and then it says PNG is what's recommended, and these upload very nicely in PNG to YouTube. And you select whether you want to download all pages, or you can just download the first one. For instance, if you are working on your efficiency video, just hit download. It's going to save onto your computer, into your downloads area, and that's it. So that's how you create a thumbnail for YouTube. And when you go to YouTube where it says custom thumbnail, you can just click on that and upload the thumbnail to your video. All done. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and drop me a like and comment on my video too with ideas of things you want to learn more about or how this was helpful for you. If you want to learn how you can make a full-time income working online, working from home, or anywhere in the world, go ahead and hit my #1 recommendation link down below. And I will see you on the next video. Take care.